Hello, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you about this Gantt chart template. So this is an improved version of the default Gantt chart template offered by Google. Now the improvement that we have done here is we have the provision to change or adjust the dates that we have here in the Gantt chart. So all you have to do is select the start date. It is always good to select Monday as the start date. So if you change these dates, you can see that all of this dynamically changes. So this row remains the same, but the date changes from the start date that you've selected, and the day also changes, and it also indicates which week of the month it is. So if I select 3rd of March, it will change to first week of March, right? So this is one improvement that has been made. Now let's look further into this. For each of the line item, you can also choose the date and it would automatically update the Gantt chart. So for example, if I have to change 7th of March to 13th of March, you can see that this has immediately changed. So this is also one other improvement that has been made to the default template. Now another thing is we can also change the status. When you change the status, the color of the line in the Gantt chart also changes. So you can see that each one of the status lines has different colors, right? And also in addition to that, we have a status. If you want to change the options in the status, you can go to the status tab and you can change it. Now each one of these status has an assigned color. So to do status has yellow color, in progress has blue color, and so on. Now you have the option to change the color of each status. Let's say for completed, I don't want this green. So I can change, you can see completed is here. Instead of green, I can change it to red color, right? And it would automatically change here. So likewise, you can do this for any of these status line items. This is a fully customizable Gantt chart that you can use, and it helps a lot in project planning. It would help you to indicate the timeline, the project timelines visually. If you are interested, please click on the link in the description and download this spreadsheet. Thank you.